Hello and welcome back to Daily English. I'm Olivia.
And I'm Liam. We're so glad you're joining us today. In this lesson, we're going to master using public transportation, from buses to subways.
We know it can feel overwhelming in a new city, but we will break it down into simple, easy steps. By the end of this, you'll know how to buy tickets, ask for stops, and navigate like a local.
We have a lot to cover, so let's get started right away. And if you find this helpful, please support our channel by liking this video and subscribing for more content. Okay, Olivia, let's begin with the most common form of transport, the bus. What's the very first step when you approach a bus stop?
The first thing you do is look at the bus stop sign. You need to check the route number and the list of destinations to make sure this bus goes where you need to. It's also crucial to see if the bus is going in the right direction, because the stop on the other side of the street goes the opposite way.
That's a vital point that people often miss. You have to make sure you're on the right side of the road. And you should also have your payment ready, whether it's cash, a transit card, or a mobile ticket, so you don't delay everyone when boarding.
Exactly. Being prepared makes the experience smooth for everyone. Let's role-play a common scenario: boarding a bus and buying a ticket directly from the driver. I'll take the role of the driver.
Perfect. I'll be the passenger trying to get to a specific location. Let's begin.
Good morning. One ticket to the city center, please.
That'll be $3. Exact change only. We don't take bills over 20.
Okay, no problem. I have the exact change right here.
Thank you. Here's your ticket.
Thank you. Could you please let me know when we're close to the Maple Avenue stop?
I'll call it out. Just listen for the announcement.
I will. Thank you for your help.
Now approaching Maple Avenue. Maple Avenue, next stop.
Thank you.
Great. That was a very realistic interaction. Jay was polite, used please, and asked a clear question. Could you please let me know when we're close to...
Yes, and we learned the phrase exact change only, which is very common on buses. Also, saying the name of the stop twice is a standard practice to ensure passengers hear it. Now, let's move on to a subway or metro system, which can be faster but has the extra step of buying a ticket from a machine.
That's right. The ticket machine can be the most confusing part. Let's role-play a situation where a traveler needs help figuring out the machine. I'll be the confused traveler, and you can be the kind local who assists me.
I can definitely help with that. Let's go.
Oh, excuse me? I'm so sorry to bother you.
Hey, no problem at all. Are you trying to buy a ticket?
Yes, but I'm not sure which one to get. The screen has so many options.
It can be tricky the first time. Where are you trying to go?
I need to get to the City Museum.
Okay, for that, you just need a single ride ticket for Zone 1. You press this button here for single fare.
Single fare, okay. And it's asking how many tickets. So just one.
That's right. Now, the total is $2.50. You can pay with coins, cash, or tap your credit card right on the reader.
I'll just tap my card. Is it this spot?
Yes, just hold your card right there until it beeps.
Oh, it worked! And my ticket is coming out.
Perfect. Now you just take that ticket and scan it at the gate to get to the train.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
You're very welcome. Have a great time at the museum.
See? Asking for help is the best thing you can do. We learned key terms like single ride ticket, tap your card, and scan it at the gate.
And the question, where are you trying to go, is how someone will likely start to help you. But the journey isn't over once you're on the train. What if you're underground and you can't see the stops, and you're worried about missing yours?
That's a very common source of anxiety for travelers. The best solution is to ask a fellow passenger. Let's do one final detailed roleplay for that exact situation.
Okay, I'll be the passenger on a crowded train, starting to get nervous. You can be another passenger sitting nearby.
Excuse me? Sorry to disturb you.
Oh, hi. Yes?
I'm sorry. I'm just a bit unsure. I need to get to King's Cross Station.
Don't worry. You're on the right train. This is the blue line, going north.
Oh, that's good to hear. Could you tell me how many more stops it is from here?
Let me check the map for you. Okay, We just passed Westminster, so King's Cross is the 4th stop after this one.
4th stop. Okay.
I can tell you when we're getting close. I get off at the stop before, so I'll let you know just before I leave.
That would be amazing. Thank you so, so much. I was really worried I would get lost.
It's no trouble at all. I've been in your situation before. Okay, this is my stop coming up now. So, the next stop after this is yours. King's Cross is next.
I've got it. Thank you again. You've been so kind.
You're very welcome. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.
That was perfect. Phrases like, "Am I on the right train for?" and "How many more stops until?" are absolutely essential for your confidence.
And as you saw, most people are genuinely happy to assist a polite traveler. So we covered the entire process: the bus, the ticket machine, and getting help during the ride itself.
Let's take a moment to review all the key phrases we learned today.
Absolutely. Here is your public transportation vocabulary list.
1 ticket to city centre, please. Exact change only. I need to buy a metro ticket. Single ride ticket or day pass? Where are you trying to go? You can tap your credit card on the reader. Scan your ticket at the gate. Am I on the right train for city centre? How many more stops until city centre? Could you tell me when we're getting close?
Now it's your turn to participate and practice.
Your challenge is this. Imagine you are at a metro station and you need to ask someone for help with the ticket machine. Write the first question you would ask in the comments below.
For example, "Excuse me, can you help me? I need to buy a ticket." We read every comment and love to see you practicing.
Thank you so much for spending your time with us and for being such a dedicated learner.
Remember, the key to fluency is repetition. Try to use these phrases out loud, even when you're just practicing at home.
If this lesson made you feel more confident, please let us know by liking this video. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a new lesson from Daily English.
We look forward to seeing you in the next video. Keep up the great work.
Goodbye and happy learning.